In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Google Sheets. 5 minutes. Open Zapier and log in. From your dashboard, click Create and choose Zap to start a new automation. A Zap has two parts, a trigger and an action. We'll set up the trigger first, which is the app and event that kicks everything off. Choose the app where the data starts, then select the specific trigger event that makes sense for your workflow. For example, a new form submission or a new row in a different database. Zapier will prompt you to connect the account for that trigger app. Sign in and approve the permissions so Zapier can securely read the data it needs. Next, choose the Google Sheet you plan to use and select the Worksheet tab. Make sure your sheet has clear column headers in the first row. Those headers are how Zapier knows where to put data. If your spreadsheet lives in a shared drive, be sure to pick the correct drive in the dropdown. Now, test the trigger. Zapier will pull in sample data so you can preview what fields are available. If you don't see any samples, create a fresh example in your trigger app and retest so you have something real to map. With the trigger confirmed, add your action, search for and select Google Sheets as the action app. Pick the action that matches your goal, such as create spreadsheet row to add one new row per event, create multiple rows if your trigger returns a list, or update spreadsheet row when you need to change existing data instead of adding more. If prompted, connect or re-authenticate your Google account. Then select the drive, spreadsheet, and worksheet again so Zapier knows exactly where to write. Map your fields by matching data from the trigger to the corresponding column headers in your sheet. Take a moment to align text with text fields, numbers with number columns, and dates with date columns. If you want consistent timestamps, consider mapping the trigger's created time or using Zapier's built-in time field. Run a test to send sample data into your sheet, switch to Google Sheets, and confirm that the row appears in the right place with the correct values. If something looks off, adjust your mappings and test again until it's perfect. When everything checks out, publish your Zap, give it a clear name, turn it on, and you're done. Keep an eye on the first few runs in Zapier's history to make sure the automation performs as expected. Enjoy your streamlined workflow with Google Sheets.